Hi, this is Blake again from 1517 Music, here to share with you our arrangement of From East to West. I love the way this hymn explores the incarnation and the way that Jesus takes on human form at Christmas time. We've changed the melody just slightly from the original public domain hymn, and hope you like it. I'm going to play a little bit of it for you. I think you'll find it an easy enough hymn, no capo, and it's in the key of C. And here's how it goes. From east to west, from shore to shore, let every heart awake and sing. The holy child whom Mary bore, the Christ, the everlasting. So that's the feel, and that continues on through the whole hymn. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below, and love to hear how you're using this song in your context.